Easy way to set up Tailwind CSS version 4. Go to Tailwind CSS documentation and click get started. Here you can get React Vite code. If you click framework guide section, you can get another framework installation process. Now you create a new project and copy paste the Tailwind CSS installation command. Now write this command for open your code on Visual Studio Code editor. You don't just copy paste this code because it makes an error on your website. So follow my steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.